Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by fully powering down the Ps5 so pairing state clears. Rest mode can hold connections open. Once powered off, connect the controller to the console with a USB-C cable. Use a data-capable cable so signals pass. Next, press the small reset button on the controller's back with a paperclip for 5 seconds. This clears stored pairings and forces the controller into pairing readiness. After that, keep the cable connected and press the PS button to begin the next step. With the cable attached, press the PS button. You should see the light bar pulse, then become steady. This indicates a successful wired connection and that the console recognizes the controller. Make sure the controller firmware is current by navigating to Settings Accessories when the controller is active. Updates can fix Bluetooth pairing issues. Once the controller is paired via USB, you can remove the cable if you want wireless. If it fails to connect, leave it wired and restart the console to retry. After a successful wired pairing, disconnect the USB cable and press the PS button. The controller should reconnect wirelessly within seconds. This swaps the active link to Bluetooth. If it does not, make sure no other nearby device is holding the controller. Toggle the Ps5 wireless off and on or temporarily disable other Bluetooth devices. As a key troubleshooting tip, try another known good USB cable or pair the controller to a different Ps5 to isolate whether the issue is the cable, controller hardware, or console Bluetooth stack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.